The snipping tool is a built-in screenshot utility in Microsoft Windows operating systems. Search for Snipping Tool in the Windows Start menu to open the tool. In the Snipping tool, try different snip modes like freeform, rectangular, window, or full screen. Click on the New button. Click and drag your cursor to create a rectangle around the area you want to capture. After capturing, the Snipping tool window will open, showing your captured snip. You can annotate it using basic drawing tools, such as pens and highlighters. This is helpful for emphasizing specific parts of the screenshot or adding explanatory notes. Locate and select the Crop tool in your image editing software's toolbar. Click on Floppy icon to save. Below the File Name field, there is a drop-down menu where you can choose the file format. Common formats include PNG, JPEG, GIF, and BMP. Navigate to the location on your computer where you want to save the screenshot. Once you've chosen the format and file name, click the Save button to save the screenshot. In the top toolbar, press the Record button, then press New. Click to drag and drop a rectangle indicating the portion of the screen you would like to record. Press Start, and you will see a 3-second countdown begin for your recording. After you finish, press Stop. Your recording can then be copied into memory, shared via the Share dialog, or saved by default. It will be saved in the Videos folder. You can use the Snipping tool in Windows 11 to record your screen. Snipping tool comes as part of Windows 11 and is also available via the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the PRTSCN key simultaneously. The screenshot is automatically saved as a file in the Screenshots folder within the Pictures library. To find the saved screenshot, open the Pictures library and then the Screenshots folder.